Welcome to this NPTEL online course on stereochemistry. This is really a foundation course on this subtopic, and myself, Professor Basak, along with 3 teaching assistants, Arundhati Mondal, Ishani Das and Monisha Singh, will jointly offer this course. So, let me say something about this subject, about how did it evolve. You must have experienced the pain that is associated when you put the right shoe in your left foot, or if you wrongly put the right hand gloves into your left hand. But the same thing does not happen if you hold a cricket bat with your right or left hand, and that is why we see so many right and left handed batsmen. The question is, why is this difference? The difference there lies in the 3D geometries of these hands or bats or gloves or the shoes. Truly speaking, if you look at the 2 hands, both the hands have the same set of 5 fingers aligned in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, but the hands are different. One is the mirror image of the other. The same thing happens in the molecular world. There are molecules where a carbon attached with 4 different groups can exist in 2 forms, and both the forms have identical constitution, identical molecular formula, but they are different. Now, this type of property, where one form of a system is not superimposable or is different from the other form, leaving other conditions same, is called chirality or sometimes handedness. And this chirality forms an integral part of this course on stereochemistry. Literally speaking, stereochemistry is a combination of 2 words, stereo and chemistry. Stereo means 3-dimensional space, whereas chemistry deals with the function, the structure, the bonding and the reactivity at the molecular level. The difficult part of stereochemistry is the visualization of molecules in 3-dimensional space and understanding their stereochemical features like reactivity with other systems. This course will provide a strong foundation of how to write the 3D molecules into a 2D plane like a piece of paper or a blackboard. It will give enough strength and enough concept to the student so that they feel comfortable in conversion of 3D molecules into 2D molecules and vice versa. The subject stereochemistry has encompassed the entire spectrum of chemistry, and also it has cut across various disciplines like biology and medical sciences. The nucleic acids, the carbohydrates, the proteins, the enzymes, the lipids like the steroids, they are all chiral molecules and they are integral part of the living systems. The word chiral drugs which are very important features coming out from pharmaceutical industry, was based on the understanding of stereochemistry. Now, this 20-hour lecture series on stereochemistry is divided into 8 modules, which will be offered over a course of 8 weeks. The topics included stereoisomerism, elements of symmetry, absolute configuration, chirality and topicity, projection formulas, how to depict the 3-dimensional molecules into 2-dimensional frame, then the preferred geometries of flexible molecules, which are also known as conformational analysis, and then we will discuss the conformation versus the energy or how the reactivity depends on conformations, that will be there. And finally, we will introduce the concept of stereospecific and stereoselective reactions, the stereochemistry of various reactions like substitution reaction, elimination reaction, those will be included, and we will end up with a glimpse of asymmetric synthesis, the most powerful concept in stereochemistry. Now, the teaching assistants who are standing by my side, they will help you out in this course by uploading the assignments, the clarifications, the reading materials, and also the question papers. And if you have questions, they are also do it online to answer your queries. We hope that you will have an enjoyable learning experience on stereochemistry during your journey through the entire course material. Thank you.